In this video, I will show you how to turn your raw data into powerful insights, and most importantly, it's step by step.
Before you create a pivot table, the most important thing is how your data is structured. If your data is not organized properly, pivot table may not work correctly. So let's quickly understand the basic requirements of the pivot table. The first requirement is proper column headers. Your headers should have a proper name. You cannot create a blank column. There should not be any column with a blank header. So proper column headers are the mandatory requirement for the pivot table. The second requirement is no blank rows in between. If there are any blank rows in between, then pivot table will not be working properly. So make sure if your data has blank rows, remove all those first. Third requirement is one record per row. Each row should represent one complete record or a transaction. So make sure your data should not have any multiple row informations. The fourth requirement is consistent data format. The data format should be consistent. For example, the order date should be in the date format and all the text should be in the text format. All the columns should have a consistent type of data. Any inconsistent type of data, please remove it first. And the last requirement is, so an important rule is to avoid merge cells and the manual subtotals inside the dataset. Pivot tables calculate totals automatically, so extra totals can confuse the analysis. Once your data follows all above rules that I have just explained, it becomes a perfect data for the pivot table analysis. And this is why pivot tables are the most important powerful Excel tools. If you found this useful, like the video and subscribe for more Excel and Power BI tutorials.